with several backdrops operation for a different way. So, right now through an age built a different things. So, car drops like an A, and this could be more common than you think, especially if you're not a professional race car driver. Vehicle dynamics play a bigger role than you'd expect in our daily commutes. One key reason your car might stop accelerating is traction loss. When your car turns a corner, the shifting weight can cause your tires to lose grip on the road. No grip equals no acceleration, which can be frustrating and even dangerous. Another factor is your transmission's role in cornering. Automatic transmissions can occasionally misinterpret your speed needs, especially if you're coasting into turns. Instead of downshifting, it holds the gear, which might rob you of acceleration power. Ever blamed the engine for sluggish cornering?
You might not be wrong.
Engine performance issues like low fuel pressure or faulty spark plugs can reduce power output, making corner exits feel like a crawl through molasses. Let's talk about the fuel delivery system. If it's compromised, the engine may starve for fuel during cornering, causing hesitations. Imagine it like it's trying to drink through a blocked straw. It's not going to end well for your speed. Handling issues might be at play too. Worn suspension components can result in excessive body roll, shifting weight off the tires, further hindering traction. Sound complicated? Well, cars are essentially mechanical jugglers during corner maneuvers. Now, for tires, your car's tires might not have enough tread or the wrong type for your environment, and it's just without optimal tire grip, each corner becomes a nail-biting experience, robbing you of much-needed cornering confidence and acceleration. A commonly overlooked culprit is the traction control system. Designed to prevent wheel spin, it might be overzealous, cutting engine power at the slightest hint of slip, particularly in wet conditions, leaving you coasting gingerly through turns. What about that check engine light?
Ignoring it can be disastrous.
It might indicate issues like sensor failures affecting acceleration. Regularly diagnose these alerts. Trust me, saving a trip to the mechanic now can prevent major headaches later. Your driving style might be part of the problem, and abrupt inputs can unsettle your car. So try smoother steering and throttle application, like fine wine and cheese pairings. Driving finesse and car mechanics should complement each other seamlessly. While we are on driving habits, consider your speed entering corners versus the road condition. Too fast, and your car might understeer the faster you enter. The harder it is to maintain acceleration exiting without tire slippage. Pro tip, regularly inspect your car's components and maintain proper tire pressure. Even a slight underinflation can impact your cornering performance significantly. It's a small detail, often missed, yet it makes all the difference in local rides. Understanding why your car might hesitate around corners isn't just about mechanics. It's also about awareness and care. The relationship between you and your car is a symbiotic one. Take care of it, and it will reward you with smoother, faster corners.